Sorry, it's mine. Yay, weapons! Now I can't oof people. Let's get started. Get wet. Hey, you don't use that to kill. You use it to collect money, aka honey. Watch. See, now you try. So extreme. Yes, maybe is that a joke? No, it's really not. Come. It's unboxing time. Unboxing time. Wow. What you gonna call him? I'm gonna call him Jake, I hate your life. Life B. Oh, now let's go get some honey. Okay. OMG, I need these bees or something. Holy noob in the sabotage? I don't have any bees. How can I get bees? Hello, noob. Wow, you got bees with legs? Yep, I got. So say hello, noob. Say hello to noob. Howdy. How can I get bees? It's easy. Go to the store and ask the man to give you bees. TY, no problem. Yeah. Your bee is gonna be coming. 2 bees. Bees. Okay, it's coming in 4 days. Do I? I hate this noob.